In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a room in Webex. This process is straightforward and will help you collaborate effectively with your team. Let's get started. First, launch Webex on your device. You can do this by locating the Webex icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you click on it, Webex will open, presenting you with a clean interface designed for seamless communication. If this is your first time opening Webex, you might be prompted to log in. This ensures that your account is secure and your settings are personalized. Just enter your credentials and you will be directed to the main dashboard. Next, look for the plus icon, which is located next to your search bar or at the top of your message history list. This icon is a universal symbol for adding new features or content. Clicking on the plus icon will open a drop-down menu with various options. This step is important because it is the gateway to creating your new room. You will see a list of actions you can take, which will help you set up your space quickly and easily. From there, select Create a Space from the drop-down menu. This option allows you to establish a new collaborative environment where you can communicate and share information with your team. Once you click on this, Webex will direct you to a new screen where you can further customize your room. This action is crucial as it sets the foundation for all future interactions within this space, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Now it's time to type in a space name. You can choose something like Project Alpha or Team Lunch. This name will help everyone in the team recognize the purpose of the room at a glance. Make sure the name is descriptive yet concise. A clear name helps avoid confusion and promotes better organization. After you enter the name, you might notice a preview of how it will appear in your list of spaces, which reassures you that you are on the right track. Next, enter the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite to this newly created space. You can add multiple contacts at once, making it efficient for team collaborations. As you type, Webex may suggest contacts from your organization, streamlining the process. This step is vital because it ensures that the right people have access to your discussions and files within the room. It fosters a collaborative atmosphere right from the start, making sure everyone you want to include is just a few keystrokes away. Finally, click Create to launch your new room instantly. This button is typically located at the bottom of the screen. Once you click it, your room will be created and you will be taken directly to it. This makes sure your changes are saved and you can start interacting with your team immediately. You should see your new space appear on your main dashboard, ready for use. With these steps completed, you have successfully created a room in Webex. This process not only organizes your communications, but also enhances team collaboration. Enjoy your new space and happy collaborating. Remember, creating a room in Webex is just the beginning of effective teamwork.